Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our product title is Input Based Dynamic Reconfiguration of Approximate Arithmetic Units for Video Encoding. Now we are going to discuss about our product abstract. So in this paper we are going to the video encoding process, the architecture depending the input, specify the following the contribution of the addressing different approaches. So we demonstrate that fixed level hardware approximation of the encoding the output quality varies while across the different video, often going to below the acceptable limits. So this process the function degree approximate D or A, the process we are using the main reason of the output quality is improved, and same time we have to go to the compression or encoding the process. And then the preliminary versions of the our product compared with this include the number of additional features described here. We augmented the modality the D and reconfigurable feature of the most significant MSP truncations, which improve the energy quality during the video encoding process. We also extend the RAB to include 3 additional address architectures: CLA, CBA and CSA. In addition, for the carry lookup based RAB with the dual mode of the carry look ahead and propagate the generated blocks in the considerable basic building responsibility. And there have been a lot of efforts of the consumption energy efficient video compression schemes, many of them related to the specific case of the video encoder. The different method of power reductions include algorithmic modifications, voltage overscaling, the impressive computations of the introduction of approximate computations technologies. Approximate computing method achieve a large amount of the power saving by introducing a small amount of error and inaccuracy into the logic block. A different approach for the approximate include the error introduction through voltage overscaling, intelligent logic manipulations and circuit simplification using the CAR based optimization techniques. These methods can introduce the implications of by replacing address with the approximate computings. The approximate computings by the deleting the sum of the transistor mirror errors. Now we are going to discuss about our product flow diagram. This is our flow for the get the input for the original video clip and get the you have considered that lot of database video clip and get we have input data video, and then we are going to the first select the some videos and going to the filtering the process. What are the type of filters? The basically low pass filters and the high pass filters. This process the pre-process we are considered, and then we are going to the point of the radiance is 8x8 the points we get the split in the pixels, and then we are going to the apply the DCT. This is the DSP image processing the algorithm for the applying the DCT digital, and then encoding the process. This is the compression of this process we encode the some values for. So this process we are going to the some videos we are going to the frames converted what are the claims we get converted that some frames we can consider that like after we are going to that apply the inverse of the DCT values, we the frame the convert to the text, and the text we get the frame files for that, and then they are going to the decoding process, the compression process, and then we're going to the reconstruction of the encoding the process, and then we are going to the once the same process we give the videos and get the one single frames, and then the process is going to the 10 or 15 frames whatever we need the image give the videos and then get the frames. We consider the frames, and then we go into the frames to videos also we convert that compressed videos. So first we are going to the image processing, and image only the compressed, after the frames converted to the videos. Now we are going to discuss about our product running processor. This is MATLAB for using the input, give the input. This is a M file for the main coding, and this is why we are using the MATLAB coding, because we are how we get the input on the read the video process and going to the videos convert to the text files in integer and real integer values. So then only we get the values for the silence after we using the compression process image or videos. So only we get the video complication process we using the MATLAB coding. So now I'm going to running the process. Click the running. After we give the input for the dataset. This is the way we create the dataset for the video. So some video files clips here. I'm going to give the clip for here. This one selected those. After the video clip, this click on we have converted to the some frames. This video total turning time is 5 or 6 seconds, so we are easy to take the maximum of 15 or 20 frames and get the 10 frames are getting here only, 1 to 10 frames. So these frames only the image to come with this process compressor. After the 10 frames we going to the compress these frames to video converted. After we get the output for the video compression in the using the MATLAB with the hidings with the encode simulate the process. After I get the compressed process, indicate the one frame j equal to 1. This is the one frame is converted. This process we are going to the 10 times we get the 10 frames we get the compressed the image process. After the silence automatically open, we get to simulate the process. After close the silence tool, and then we give the next frames we compressed, and then automatically open the silence and then close the simulate and close it, and then another this process going to up to 10 frames. So what are the give the frames, and then we running the process. After automatically open the silence, we are going to the simulation the process. This simulation, and this is the main file for this DCT applying the algorithm process. So only we are using this main file. We are using the simulate the simulate the behavioral model, and automatically open the simulation tool for the ISIM process. We simulated just we have to we should simulate it. After we going to close it, then another we are going to the next frames level the process, the compression process. The input selector files. After selecting open the process is simulated. This is a frame 1 compressor, and then up to 10 frames converted. This is a 10 frame process. So automatically they save the process in the output in the 10 frames we convert to the one single file is compression video files.